I know guys na intriga kayo sa title. Yes, you heard it right. 700 pesos na Apple AirPods Pro 2. I know marami sa inyo mga marites na intriga, but of course don't go away after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So nakita nyo ang title, 700 pesos Apple AirPods Pro 2. And alam natin, no, this gadget is nowhere near cheap. It's around 14,990 sa Beyond the Box. And of course guys, disclaimer muna, hindi ako nagpo-promote ng piracy. This is definitely a knock-off copy. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo no, kung how it looks, how good it feels, and how worth it ang iyong 700 pesos. Kita pala natin dito sa kanyang packaging, it looks like the real deal. Simulan muna natin with a quick unboxing. So guys, quickly unboxing natin tong knock-off copy ng Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So ito ang original packaging niya. Wireless earphone na TWS. Nakasulat, very generic lang, no? No, nothing. And, well, it comes with a strap as well as a jelly case para sa ating AirPods 2 Pro. Buksan natin. Yun, no? Grabe, sobrang copy niya ang box niya. So, ito ang kanyang box. Makita mo yung AirPods Pro is embossed, no? Nakaumbok so mahawak ko nasasalat ko, talaga embossed siya. And ito mga printing niya is almost the same kasi meron din akong AirPods Pro 2 na original and it looks exactly the same. Kopyang-kopya niya pati Apple logo dito sa gilid, AirPods Pro dito na print, halos kopyang-kopya. Mas bilib ako dito sa likod, pati kanyang packaging na kailangan mo peel off ng dalawa is exactly the same. Pati yung print niya dito, AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case, kopyang-kopya na guys. I'm really excited to show you, no, na ano nga ba itsura nito? Would it be a almost perfect copy nitong AirPods? So, allow me to peel it off. And, of course, ibabaw. And yung feel niya, hindi nagkakalayo pa sa, sa the original one. So, same din, no? Hirap ilabas upon peeling. Guys, pati ito sa labo, designed by Apple in California. Pati kanyang brochure. Grabe, ang ganda ng pagkakopy niya. Ito na, guys. Ito na guys, ang AirPod Pro 2. Pati yung pagkanyang packaging, I think, grabe, itong kumopya na to is not afraid of copyright infringement. And definitely, sobrang kopyang-kopyan talaga to guys. I am really shocked to see this one, no? So before ko i-open, napakita sa inyo, let me show you some stuff inside. So, this is the charging cable. Tignan natin, Kanyang packaging, no? Talagang, grabe, knock-off, no? Lightning. Yung kabila niya should be Type-C. Type-C ang kanyang kabila. And here are some extra tips. Na magagamit nyo along the way. Well, like any Apple product, for sure, wala siyang charging brick. I would suggest that you can buy this one, si U-Green, na Nexo Mini 30 watts na charger. Let's say GAN charger na sobrang gaan niya, na pwede na bitbitin anywhere you go. Just simply pop it out and yun na. Sobrang liit niya guys, promise. I'm also a user of this one, si U-Green na GAN charger, the 30 watts, sa mga device ko na walang charging head na kasama. Link on the description below. Now, for the moment of truth, gusto ko na buksan to, no? But of course, tingnan muna natin ito ang itsura ng case na exactly the same. Pati sa ilalim, it's a lightning port. And of course, sa likod ang kanyang reset button or pairing button. And designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Same na nakasulat. Wow. Oh, grabe guys. Kopyang-kopya. Wow. And it looks like the real deal. And this is, guys, And guys, this is the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Grabe oh, kuhang-kuha niya, pati design. And, you know, it's also the same. Ganito ang itsura niya. Okay? Ang feel nitong buds, halos ganun na nahawak nung ko yung original. It's exactly the same. Ayan, kita natin guys, this is the AirPods Pro 2 na knockoff series. And it almost looks like the real deal, oh. Grabe. Sobrang na-shock ako dito na akala ko it's just a cheap knockoff copy. But, grabe. Naka-open ako ng original one. And this one is almost the same copy. I can say it's a 99% copy. And it feels the same too. So, i-try muna natin, no? Yung kanyang feeling is almost the same din. Guys, pati ang pag-connect sa iPhone, no? It's like the real deal. I'm really shocked to see this. And, ko-connect lang natin, no? Ho-hold lang yung button sa likod ng charging case. Ayan, connected na. Connecting na siya. Pati pwede mo i-press. Yan. Papakita lang niya walkthrough, no? Adjust volume, swipe up, swipe down. Pwede siya no noise cancellation and transparency mode. Pwede mo pa personalize sa spatial. Pwede mo siya i-control sa control center. So, kita natin, no? This phone, yung kanyang kung gaano karaming charge meron niya sa case and gaano karaming charge meron sa pods. Kitang-kita natin. Volume control, ganun lang. So guys, right now, ginagalaw ko ang stem. Kita nyo dito yung volume, umakyat, bumababa, no? So it's very easy to control, like the real AirPods. Like ganito lang, no? Ko-control mo na siya dito. And yan, next na siya. So, kailangan lang natin gawin is just single press para mag-pause. And single press para siya tumuloy. And it's like the real deal, no? I'm not sure kung how they did this, but definitely itong knock-off na Apple AirPods Pro na tinatry natin dito, it feels like the real deal. But of course, syempre yung sounds might sound a little different compared to sa original. Yung original medyo mas maganda ang tunog, yung bass. But of course, this one is simply a knock-off. I don't really expect too much from this one. And at first, I wasn't really expecting that this one would perform like the real deal. Sabi ko, well, it's just a knockoff and ang price is quite cheap. Dalagang cheap siya, no? 770 pesos. Papakita ko sa inyo a little later kung saan ko siya nabili. And grabe, it feels like the real deal. But of course, yung sound might sound a little different. Yung mas vibrant kasi ang sound nung original AirPods Pro 2. But this one, for me, okay na siya, no? If you're not yung tipong audiophile na medyo maselan sa sound, this one might sound okay na para sa inyo. And I guess this one is definitely a perfect na Christmas gift for just simply anyone dahil it's really cheap. Of course, guys, I'm not really promoting this one since it's not the real deal, but yung performance niya is almost pwede na. Like the real deal. And of course, if you want to check kung saan pwede mabili, I'll be posting the link on the description below. And kita natin this one, ang saselect mo lang dito sa link na binigay ko sa inyo, AirPods, Air Pro 2nd Gen, then white. There's a lot of colors sa kanya, no? But definitely yung white yung mukhang mas tunay. And the price is really shocking at 770 pesos. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa knockoff copy ng AirPods Pro 2? Well, honestly, it feels like the real deal. It looks like the real deal, and yung packaging niya feels like the real deal pagdating sa unboxing. I was really shocked to see this one, and it's really jaw-dropping. I was really expecting mga medyo low-end copy lang, but to my surprise, it feels and looks like the real deal. And so guys, if you're looking for a perfect Christmas gift, this one is definitely one suggestion na pwede kong ibigay sa inyo. But of course, guys, I'm not promoting any piracy dito. If you want the real deal, check it out sa Beyond the Box for the real na Apple AirPods Pro 2. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa akin channel. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?